Hey Wolfpack, can we bake a cake?
Cake, 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 cake.
I'm gonna bake a cake. Only got 2 eggs in my pocket. I'm cooking, looking for my mixer. This is cooking awesome.
Walk in the kitchen like, what up, I got a big spoon. I'm just so pumped, I got a new cake pan. Icing in the fridge is so dang yummy. Licking the spoon, can't wait to get it in my tummy. Stirring the batter, nice and slow, head into the oven. Draped in my apron and my chef's hat, those are white. Covered in flour and sugar and this and that. I'll probably need to shower in a half an hour. Smells like cinnamon. Dang, it smells so good. Stirring it, mixing it, about to go and get some compliments. Pouring it, leveling it, dreaming I could be a chef. But me and my crew cooking now, man, I'm baking and cooking and saving my money, and that's the way I do it, man. I'ma take your cupcake, I'ma take your cupcake. No, for real, can I take your cupcake? Red velvet, chocolate, vanilla, and spice. Confetti, gingerbread, banana are nice. I have a bunch of choices, I made a bunch of choices. I made a sheet cake, then I made a fruit cake. Hello, hello, bacon makes me mellow. Betty Crocker ain't got nothing on my baking game. Oh no, I can take some small cakes and stack them high and sell those. Chefs even Duff will be like, ah, you got the game, yo.
I'm gonna bake a cake, only got 2 eggs in my pocket. I'm cooking, looking for my mixer. This is cooking awesome.
I'm gonna bake a cake, only got 2 eggs in my pocket. I'm looking for my mixer. This is cooking awesome.
What you know about rocking a chef's hat on your noggin? What you know about wearing a Kiss the Wolf apron? I'm digging, I'm searching low for my sifter. One chef's trash, that's another chef's treasure. Thank Grandma for donating those rats and peas, cause right now I'm up in here baking. I'm in my kitchen, you can find me mixing.
I'm not twisted, I'm stirring in my kitchen. Your grandma, your auntie, your mama, your honey. I'll take those recipes from your nanny secondhand and rock that.
Oh,
Special icing on this one, see I rock that.
oh,
I hit the kitchen at the party and they stop and that.
oh.
They be like, oh, that cake, that's really tight. I'm like, yo, that's $100 from a bake shop. Limited edition, let's do some simple addition. $100 for a gourmet cake, that's just some ignorant stuff. Call that getting swindled and hoaxed. I call that getting tricked by a business that cake's a lot of dough. And having the same one as 6 other people in this room is a definite don't. Peep game, come take a look through my telescope. Albert gets cake from me, and you deaf don't. Man, you deaf won't. Bake shop, baking cakes, yeah.
I'm gonna bake a cake, only got 2 eggs in my pocket. I'm looking for my mixer. This is cooking awesome.
I'll wear my new chef's hat. What you think about that? I'm in this big chef's coat from that bake shop down the road. I'll wear my new chef's hat. What you think about that? I'm in this big chef's coat from that big shop down the road.
I'm gonna bake a cake. Only got 2 eggs in my pocket. I'm cooking, looking for my mixer. This is cooking awesome.
Is that the Wolfpack's cake?
Wolfpack what?